All right, y'all. It's a couple days later. We actually finna be outside today, so we got this little meet we going to in Atlanta. I got my boy DT on the way. Finna pull up. It's a little cruise meet, so we gonna meet up at a spot and then we gonna cruise out on the highway or whatever. I like those meets better than parking chills, only because what I'm saying, we get to hear the cars and people downshift and everything like that. But we finna be outside today, you know what I'm saying? This bit looking pretty as ever, bro. Oh my goodness, yes. All right, guys, so we are on the way right now, as y'all can see. So just a little bit about this meet. So this is a BMW exclusive meet. So we're gonna be 10 miles. So we're gonna be sneaking this Q50 Red Sport into this meet. We're gonna see if anybody says something. I'm gonna try to call some people out, you know what I'm saying? Get a couple rolls, you know what I'm saying? Get a couple runs in, type V, you feel me? I don't know. But apparently this is a BMW exclusive meet. I don't really think it's gonna be like a only BMW, but from what I saw, bro, it said BMW exclusive. So, and then when I liked the page and I followed them, they asked me, like they DM'd me and asked me if I had a BMW. And I had to catch them like, yeah, I got info right here. It went on Google Maps, Google Photos, and took a picture and got a picture off of that and sent them my airport. So I got the location off of that, but yeah, when I was at the gas station too, I did see a couple E92s and F80s at the gas station too. So they might be over there too. I don't know if it's another meet around here, but I see people outside. That's all I know. But yeah, right now we on the way. We're gonna try to sneak this car in. When I pull up, bro, I'm gonna pick back the camera. All right, we made it to the meet now. I'm gonna tell DT what kind of meet this is, though. I thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger than this. The way they was making it, bro, they didn't change the location 3 times. But I'm gonna check out the cars real quick. I done heard some stories about this shit, bro. You been having niggas drive your car, bro? You know, having niggas drive your car, that's like a nigga fucking your bitch, bro.
That never happened.
I thought it was a BMW meet only, because on the thing, on the flyer, it said BMW exclusive.
Oh, yeah.
I see fucking Hellcats everywhere. See what the Q50 could fucking does. Everything over, all these fucking Mopars, these Q50s leaving in the dirt. Okay.
You did some shit already?
Now I'm finna do some shit on Monday. So apparently, we looked around, bro. It's just straight Mopars. There ain't no goddamn BMW only meet up here. I thought I was finna sneak it in, but the Q50 Gap and all this shit. We all know this. This is a well-known thing. Q50's gapping all of this fucking shit. Even his shit is getting put in the dirt, bro. Oh my goodness. Okay. Are those real Meisters? Are they real Meisters? Okay. There ain't no Infinity guys out here, bro. I'm in enemy territory, bro. We got straight Mopars and BMWs in this bit, bro. Imagine niggas are sleeping on that bit. Bro, straight enemy territory, bro. There's not one VQ or VR30 in this bit at all, bro. In a 30-mile radius. Okay.
And he got the blue light.
Goddamn Q. Y'all, it's time to roll out, and I think I know who I want. Good morning, guys. Top of the morning, top of the morning. Top of the morning type beat, UV. Woo, it's cold outside. I ain't gonna lie, it's cold in here, bro. Today, we got quite a few mods we're gonna do to the Q50. The first thing we're gonna install, though, we have subframe bushings, we got oil catch can, heat exchanger, and then the auxiliary tank for the heat exchanger as well for coolant. So we're gonna have an extra, I think 1.5, like a gallon and a half extra coolant in the car. Aside from that, we're gonna get started on here. We gotta jack up the car. This is not an install video, by the way. I'm just showing you guys like me, just building my car. We're gonna start with the subframe bushings first, only because that's probably gonna be the easiest thing to do so far. But yeah, let's just get started, bro. Alright, got the wheel off. Now we can come under here and get that bolt. After you get that side, you're gonna get this side. Unscrew all the bolts, then we're gonna get the back. And then we'll be able to lower the subframe. Alright, so now we got it dropped. All we gotta do is just slide it in right here. So I'm gonna put some WD-40 on it. Some WD-40 on that. And then we're gonna put it in. Alright, so we got the subframe bushings on now. It took me about 2 hours to complete this. I'm gonna test drive it real quick and see how we are. I just wanna do a quick test drive and then I'm gonna go and put the what's it called on. Okay. Oh. Okay. I mean, I don't really feel nothing. I'm cute to be. Alright, so now we're gonna install the oil catch can. Here's what the setup is looking like. I got my heaters. It's like 40 degrees outside, but it's a little windy, so that's what I got going on right now. Got 2 heaters just so I can stay warm and not having to worry about my hands being cold. But yeah, we're gonna breeze through this install. I'm not really gonna show you guys how to install this, so yeah. Alright, a couple hours later and we got the oil catch can on. As y'all can see, I ain't gonna lie, it's a pain for any of these boats, bro. It's like the smallest fucking Allen wrench in the world, bro. It's not. I dropped it in the damn, I just dropped it right here. I dropped it in the engine, by the way, and I can't find it. Like, I got the little magnet thing, have my light everywhere. Bro, I can't find it. It's gonna be in there forever, I guess. Tomorrow, I wanna say we're gonna start on the heat exchanger as well. So I'm excited for that. I wanna get the engine started and make sure this is all good first. And then after that, yeah, we should be good. Oh, I actually have to tighten that down. I did not tighten that down, hold on. All right, yeah, but thank God I actually noticed it. It's a 19 here, so there's like the little nipples that you have to tighten down as well. I forgot to tighten it down, but it's a 19. It looks like we have some clearance for shaking and everything as well on both sides. I made sure to have that, so I don't want to hear any annoying rattling noise. But other than that, everything looks good. Let me just make sure Everything on here is all tightened. Okay. And this right here as well. Alright, yep. Everything looks good. I do want to start the car up, so let's do it. Alrighty, it's the next morning. And we're gonna put the heat exchanger on. Right now we gotta take off the bumper. And from what I'm seeing on YouTube for the Red Sports versions, it's gonna be a pain to do. Only because there's a whole bunch of sensors and connectors that you gotta take off. Especially with, you know, the 2023 versions. We got sensors right here. We got this lights up. We got a camera, a couple sensors down here as well. It looks like it's gonna be a pain, so I'm gonna just try to knock that out real quick. And once again, it's 30 degrees outside, so it's literally a pain. But aside from that, I'm gonna try to get this done as fast as I can. I'm still waiting on our vacuum bleeder to come. It's saying it's in my city, but it's not here, bro. You know what I'm saying? So if we don't get this today, then we're gonna have to like wait to even start the car. I'm not gonna drive the car without bleeding the coolant. So yeah, I'm gonna just get started on this bumper. Alright, couple hours later, and we finally took it out. Bro, when I tell you, this video had me taking out the whole freaking Q50, but we finally got it in, bro. Taking it out wasn't like, well, taking it out like solely just taking the heat exchanger out wasn't that bad, especially after me just taking out all this stuff over here. Putting it in wasn't that bad either, but I did scratch it, bro. I should have put another cardboard on the front too, because I put a cardboard on the back so it doesn't scratch the radiator, which it probably did as well. But I ain't put none in the front as well, bro. Now we gotta scratch. Jeez, bro, look at the size difference, y'all. This is crazy. Oh shit, cool, it's spilling. Look at the size difference, bro. It's just like 3 times bigger than. Sometimes you just gotta love when your car just gives you extra bolts. You know what I'm saying? Like after a job, you just gotta love when you get extra bolts and extra parts of some sort. I don't know where, bro. I swear, I don't know where this came from. I don't know where this came from, and in the video it's not showing me. There's another one on this side too, bro. I do not know where it's from. I don't know. Right under here. Don't know where it came from, bro. Well, it came from somewhere under here. But I don't know how to, like, where to put it. Bro, it is now like 8 o'clock, 8 or 9 o'clock. In between. And we got everything on. All I gotta do is put everything back. Got the tank installed. Bro, I did this with no video pretty much. When it's that cold outside, sometimes you just gotta cook your gloves real quick, you know what I'm saying? Let them motherfuckers roast. Alright guys, we finished up here. Blooded everything looks good. I'm gonna go test drive it right now. I'm running late, so I actually gotta go to work, so we're gonna end it off here. If you guys haven't already, my name is Aislaado. It's my first ever performance car, anything of that nature. So if you guys are interested in the build, just like and subscribe, you know what I'm saying? It's a lot coming for the Q50, so I'll see y'all in the next one.